Hey guys, Isaac again. We're working still on the 62 C10 Chevy truck. We have a little problem. There's no turn signals switch. And when I opened the steering wheel, I got to show you guys, okay? Let's start. So let me remove this. And there's nothing. There's no turn signal switch. Turn signals, all the parts inside. It's only, this is a 62 C10 with a mechanical turn signal switch. So this one actually turned the switch all the way at the bottom. Let me show you guys. So this is the switch. This is a switch. But I been checking different aftermarket turn signal switch, and it's a lot of problems. Okay, you can see it better now with light. So this is the mechanical turn signal switch right here. It has 6 wires. We're still using the old fuse box right here. In another video, I'm gonna show you how I'm be using the same fuse box, and then that fuse box we're gonna refresh it down the road. But in the meantime, we're gonna take care of the turn signal switch. So what I did, I'm gonna show you guys. Let's go back out, and I'll show you guys what I just ordered. All right, guys. Instead of ordering the aftermarket turn signal switch, it's gonna require more steps, and I just want to go the easy way. We're gonna remove the old mechanical turn signal switch, gonna cut all the wires, 6 wires, and we're gonna put every single wire just following this pattern right here. Let me show you guys. This is the pattern that we're gonna follow. The green, the purple on top, yellow on the corner. On the opposite side of the green is going to be the blue, the white here at the bottom, and right in the center is going to be the pink. But for you guys to understand this diagram and how to actually plug this in, we're going to go ahead and remove the old mechanical turn signal switch. All right, I already removed the other screw on the other side, and I'm just going to remove this one here. Okay, so I already cut him for you guys, and we're just gonna follow the same color patterns right here. These are the wires, and we're gonna use these connectors. All right, so let's start. So we got all six different colors. So these are the colors. The yellow, the pink, the teal, which is this one, the royal blue, it's gonna be here. This is the purple here, and the white at the bottom. So let's start. So again, this is the toggle switch. First, we're gonna start with the teal or teal green. The next will be the purple. It's gonna follow the yellow. Okay, so we have teal, purple, yellow, royal blue, the white over here in the corner, and the pink is at the bottom. So now let's compare the wires. Let's compare the wires with the diagram. The pink at the bottom, the white, the royal blue here, yellow on top, right in the center the purple, and this is the teal or green. All right, so now let's put it in. Let's try. Already drill a hole, and let's let me install the toggle switch so you guys can see it. Okay, so we have the toggle switch ready, and let's do the final installation. That's a turn signal switch, right, left, and we're gonna test. Now let's connect the battery to try it out and see how it works. Okay. All right, so we installed the turn signal switch from American Auto Wire. Instead of having this all mechanical turn signal switch, we have a simple switch, and let's test it. So let me show you how it looks. Okay, mission accomplished. I think this is a very clean, easy job. 6 wires, toggle switch from American Auto Wire. It's just the best product that I think is one of the best products made in the US, and it looks clean. It looks simple. I don't have the aftermarket huge turn signal switch. I just love this product and I recommend it. Again, let's hear it. Right and left, and let me show you the lights on the back. Let's go to the back. Go to the front. Oh, great. Let's go inside. So I really recommend the toggle switch from American Auto Wire. Just call Josh, get the part number, and if you want to see the next video, it's how I do the gauges here. And by the way, the last time I did the video for the 1-wire alternator, I just want to show you guys, we have a 12 volts battery, so it works. And also I got the temperature gauge and the oil pressure. If you guys want to see that video, just comment and like the video, and next time I'll be posting how do I install these gauges. Okay, and I'll be doing another video how to actually repair a fuse box using the old wire harness from the 62. I don't need to get a new one. I'm just gonna be using the same, and everything works. This truck is amazing. I love it. And by the way, I love this turn signal switch. Just 6 wires and that makes your life easier. Thank you for watching this video.